Once again, the child climbs the steep cricklewood terrain. Momentarily separated from its blue disc, the child seems to be adjusting its clothing protection, maybe starting to feel suffering from the elements. The gloves are wet. The face is cold. The hands are cold. Frustration sets in. The gloves will not fit. They fit, but now they are wet inside. Facing the steep cricklewood terrain, the child is undeterred as the snow and the blizzard conditions continue. A check of her equipment and back to the climb, struggling in snow measured not in inches but feet. Again, struggling in the blizzard conditions, she climbs yet higher into the tree line, hoping for one last descent, one last taste of snow flying into her face. The cold air whisking past her cheeks. She adjusts her equipment once again. She is ready for the descent. She adjusts the blue disc. And begins the slide. The descent, narrowly missing the tall locust trees and into the family driveway. Will she have another one left in her, or will she retreat to the warmth of the house and the comfort of a hot chocolate? The comfort of the house and the thought of hot chocolate has won over. She makes her way through the deep snow to the path that will lead back to safety and warmth.